Hey everyone, Ariens wants you to get the most out of your two-stage Sno-Thro this season. Not only do we manufacture the equipment, but we have a full line of OEM parts and accessories available for your two-stage Sno-Thro. Some of the most popular items this time of year are snow cab. This is going to help keep you protected from the wind and the snow when you're clearing. Also, we have a Sno-Thro cover. We have a composite skid shoe for clearing on more delicate surfaces like brick or pavers. We have a front weight kit that you can install to the front of your housing for more effective clearing. And we also have a floor mat kit that's going to help protect the surface that you set your Sno-Thro on when it's not in use. In addition to those accessories, we have a full line of maintenance and service and replacement parts available for your Sno-Thro. Some of the most popular ones this time of year when everyone's completing their maintenance for the start of the season are replacement belts for your auger drive and traction drive, oils and lubricants, new spark plugs, new shear bolts, and a full maintenance kit that can actually do a lot of the work in one purchase. Additionally, we have snow jet spray that you can spray to the inside of your chute and your housing to prevent the snow from sticking to your chute and housing while clearing. And guys, as always, if you're looking for parts and accessories, you can find them at your local Ariens dealer, or you can order them online at parts.ariens.com.